Exciting news for all you Google Pixel fans out there. We're just days away from the latest Made by Google event, where the Pixel 9 series is set to be officially unveiled. But it looks like one UK retailer just couldn't keep things under wraps and has leaked some major details about the pre-order deals. Trust me, these offers are going to make you seriously consider upgrading to the Pixel 9. So here's what happened. Vodafone UK has jumped the gun and revealed their pre-order upsell for the Pixel 9 series. What's even more interesting is that this leak wasn't just a minor slip-up. It actually gives us a pretty clear picture of what to expect in terms of storage upgrades for the new Pixel devices. First spotted by Roland Quant on X, formerly known as Twitter, Vodafone UK has a page dedicated to what they're calling the Google Storage Intro offer. This page outlines the deals that British customers can expect when they pre-ordered a Pixel 9 series through Vodafone. Now, if you are hoping for a free Pixel Watch 3 as part of the pre-order bonus, I got some bad news. The leaks confirm that there won't be a free Pixel Watch 3 included. However, don't be too disappointed because Vodafone's storage upgrade incentive is looking pretty generous. Unlike previous offers that were limited to entry-level models, this one covers all storage capacities. So what exactly are these storage deals? Well, here's a quick rundown. For those eyeing the vanilla Pixel 9, you can upgrade to the 256GB model for the price of the 128GB version. That's a solid upgrade if you're someone who needs that extra space without spending more. When it comes to the Pixel 9 Pro, there are two options. You can either opt for the 256GB version and pay the price of the 128GB model, or go for the 512GB option but pay the 256GB rate. This gives you some great flexibility depending on your storage needs. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers the most generous deal. If you're considering this model, you have the choice to either grab the 256GB version or go big with 512GB for the price of 256GB. And if you're really into heavy storage, you can even go all the way up to the 1TB model, but pay only the 512GB price. This is a fantastic deal, especially for those who love to store tons of photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of space. For the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, while it doesn't offer the same flexibility as the Pro XL, it still has a solid deal where you can get the 512GB version for the price of the 256GB model. While it may not seem as enticing as the other deals, it's still a decent offer if you're looking for more event live. Google usually streams these events on their official YouTube channel. You can also follow their social media channels for real-time updates. It's always exciting to see the latest innovations from Google, especially when we already have some juicy leaks to whet our appetite. Remember, these leaks are based on UK pricing, which includes VAT, so the actual US prices might differ slightly. But don't worry, we'll find out all the official details in just a few days. So, what are your thoughts on these pre-order deals? Are you planning to grab one of the new Pixel 9 devices? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates on the latest tech news. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy U25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.